Okay, today we're going to do a two-stage casting method, molding method. We have our fine patient here, future NHL star Emilio Sabag, who's going to let me do casting on him. To do this casting, we have a bucket of warm water. We have some Vaseline as our medium. We have our plaster. For the hind foot, we've gone from the first metatarsal head to the fifth metatarsal head, made it 3 layers thick. And for the forefoot, we've gone from the first around the toes to the fifth, and we've made that 2 layers thick. We're going to start by having our patient in prone position. We're going to find subtalar neutral on the foot, and we're going to make a bisection line on the heel. Sorry if this tickles. Next, we apply our Vaseline. And now we're ready for our casting. Start with the hind foot. Make sure you hold on to it. Keep the layers together. And we're going to soak it in the warm water to get it all wet. Wring it out until no water drops. Like this. We're going to fold the top over just slightly to make it easier to hold on to. And we're just going to massage it nicely. Try and get all the water out and massage it so it makes full contact with the foot, arch and the heel included. And we're going to move on to the forefoot. Same thing as the last one, in the water. Wring it out until there's no water dripping off. Again, small fold at the top. A little bigger on this one since the toes aren't quite as large. And make sure it overlaps. And again, massage it on to make full contact and to make sure it adheres to the hind foot plaster. On the dorsum of the foot, open the toes up a little bit so it'll be easier to get off. And take your pad and load the lateral column to ensure subtalar neutral. We use a pad so that we don't get a thumb imprint. Ensure that the navicular and the talar head are aligned and hold it there for a few minutes until the cast dries. And now that our cast is hardened, we can pull the skin up around. This helps loosen the cast from the foot, and carefully remove it from their foot. You can see the bisection line of our calcaneus and Achilles tendon transferred onto the molding, which will come into play later on when we do the positive.
Next to the foot.
At this point in time, we can wash our hands and wash the foot.